The land in dispute, by way of background, was swapped for the piece of land the Susumama Clinic at 3 Mile is now located on. It was done so through an NEC decision in 1991 by the then Namalu government.
They had to take over that land, and at that time there was a company called Boy Consultant, which was a company that probably set up by TST Group, or TST came to buy it. They had a license over that portion of land. So since the national government wanted it, the national government took over to build that wing of the hospital. And for some reason, defies logic and sense, the government at the time, through the minister or the lands department, decided to trade off Jack Pidik Park without consulting NCDC in exchange for that land. And this is the situation we are faced with now. It's a legacy problem. Since I became governor, I've been trying my best to resolve it. But it is not easy to resolve it because the national government made the decision. Only the national government can correct it. And we have impressed on them so many times to correct it. But up to now, instead of correcting it, they've continued to reaffirm that decision.
The land in dispute is 8.5 hectares, or approximately 6,400 square meters. And leaseholder TST says the public has been illegally trespassing through private property for over 30 years. After a number of years in court, on the 19th of May 2021, the Waigani National Court ruled in favor of TST as the registered proprietor of portion 2129 and subjected to a properly registered survey.
The next document, which is under the next blue paper, is the registered survey map, catalog number 491882. That shows that portion 2192 is under a registered survey. The documents behind it are a status report from the Surveyor General dated 10th May 2021, confirming that this registered survey map is current and is properly before his office.
Following the erection of a temporary fence at Jack Pidik, NCD Governor, in his capacity as the chairman of NCD Fiscal Planning Board, issued a stop work and demolition notice to TST. The governor says the Office of the General Surveyor is yet to conduct a survey on the disputed piece of land.
But the important thing is that we have stopped the construction of the fence. What I want to assure our city residents is that I'm determined to demolish that fence. Constructing that fence is an insult to city and to our people. And it's not consistent with the law.
But lawyers representing TST says otherwise, with the view that the land has been zoned as a commercial space and all legal documents have already been presented to the governor's office.
We confirm that all parties were present and represented in this court proceeding that was lodged last year in July. We went to court, we were referred to mediation. Mediation spread out throughout the course of the remainder of 2020 and the beginning of 2021. Mediation failed, and so we went back to court and we were granted these court orders on 19th of May.
Thekla Gunga, National EMTV News.